I'm C. Eric Scott, and this is a special edition of One Man Taste Test. In this special edition, I'll be participating in Jeni's Ice Cream's Ice Cream is Breakfast Day, which is today, February 5th, 2022. And what they want you to do is eat ice cream for your breakfast between 9 a.m. and noon, your local time. So that's what I'm about to do. And Jeni's even came out with a special limited edition flavor to commemorate the day. It's the maple soaked pancakes. And this, I'm excited about this. I mean, this says here it's fluffy pancakes and a salted butter and maple syrup cream. And you can see there on the lid, it looks pretty tasty. Yeah, the backstory says, I grew up on maple syrup tapped from my grandparents' trees. I loved the way it mingled with melting pat of butter, soaking my triple stack of pancakes into complete syrupy sweet mush. There's still nothing quite like the flavor of true maple syrup, old-fashioned and comforting, which is why we use the real stuff, sapped from maple trees in Vermont, because we wouldn't do it any other way. I couldn't love this flavor more. Jeni. Well, how nice. I am actually really excited to try this. So let's go ahead and get into it. And it says here, oh look, here's a little message. It says, make people feel loved today. Well, isn't that nice? I'm about to dig in. I'm peeling back the seal. Wow. So thus far it just looks like, well, a brown ice creamy substance. Or tan, really. Not really smelling anything out of it though, so I'm just going to dig in and see what we got here. Wow. Okay. Well, Jeni's has done it again. Yeah, they have managed to take exactly what it says here, which in this case is maple soaked pancakes, and transfer it into an ice cream form. And you know what? You could actually eat this for breakfast. It tastes, this tastes just like maple pancakes, or pancakes with maple syrup and butter. Well, they've done it again. My hat's off to Jeni's. I don't know how they keep coming out with these crazy flavors, but I would say 99% of the time they nail it pretty close. So they definitely did it here. So yeah, this, like I said, this is a limited flavor, so I'm not sure how long it'll be available at their ice cream shops or online, but if you haven't had a chance to try it, or if you didn't get a chance to participate in this Ice Cream is Breakfast event, then definitely still go get some if you can find it. Like I said, it's really good. So anyway, this is the maple soaked pancakes. I'm sure I'll be back again soon with another review, but in the meantime, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit that like button. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon in the next one.